Okay, do the whole thing all over again.
Okay.
And pays, oh, hold on, missed something. Start all over again. Hi there, I'm Troy from Parabola Developments. And you may remember me from popular cult classic videos such as Why Is My Basement Stinky? And the Essential Homeowner's Toolbox 1 and 2. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between a cost plus and a fixed price contract. So what is a cost plus contract? Well, this is where the homeowner hires a general contractor and pays the costs with no markup for all building materials, labor, permits, and everything associated with the build. So the plus part is the pre-negotiated fee for the builder, me. The positives with doing a cost plus contract is the flexibility that you get by choosing products that will go into your brand new home. So the flooring, the doorknobs, the doors, the stairs, everything. And then it's installed. Another positive thing is transparency. So once you pick the product, you know exactly how much each item costs. So you have full control over the associated build. Nope. You have full control over the costs that are associated with the build. The downside is that you won't know the final cost until the house is pretty much finished. But, nope. If you have a set, So if you set a maximum price for your cost plus build, once you've reached your maximum price, you will have to decide whether to continue the build for added costs or stop construction altogether. So now we're going to get into fixed price. So a fixed price starts by having the general contractor, me, once again, price out all the materials, all the labor, all the finishes that you've chosen and writes it into the contract with the total price being fixed. All the decisions are made prior to the signing of the contract. One positive thing about that is that you get to know exactly what the cost is of your house before we start construction. The downside is if halfway you decide to choose something different or change out your flooring or something like that, this will be considered a change in the contract, which additional costs will be added. So there will also be a fee for the change order if you decide to do that. With fixed price, the general contractor takes on the risk of any price fluctuations, so they often add a fee to each item that is quoted to cover any problems or issues that may arise during the build. They also will be working to keep their costs low while they work, potentially at the expense of the quality of your home. So to sum this all up, cost plus contract gives you flexibility to choose your own products and the transparency of controlling all those costs of the products that we choose to build. You also have a contractor working for the level of quality that you choose for your home. The downside is the uncertainty of the final cost when completed. Nope. You'll know the final cost when it's completed. With a fixed price contract, all materials and labor are determined prior to the contract signing. The downside is that it offers less flexibility. It offers some flexibility, but this requires a change order, which may have costing you more than the original fixed price. And the contractor will be working to keep his costs low to meet the agreed contract price. Do you clap?
No, it's good. Already set.
I don't like that at all.
Which?
That just sounds stupid. I gotta rewrite that.
Okay.
Because it's like I'm jumping from bang bang, and I'm not like, you wouldn't